Hello and welcome to this short video presentation of a vowel sound, the hoi sound. How is the hoi sound produced? At the beginning of the sound, the jaw is open about midway and the body of the tongue is in a low position in the mouth. The bottom teeth can be felt along the sides of the tongue. Then the jaw closes slightly. The body of the tongue moves upward until it is near the tooth ridge, similar to the position of a E sound. The front sides of the tongue touch the inside of the top side teeth, like this. Oi. Listen and repeat after me. Oi. 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 Words with oi as initial sound. Oink, oink. Oil, oil. Ointment, ointment. Words with oi as the middle sound. Voice, voice. Foil, foil. Coin, coin. Words with oi as the final sound. Enjoy, enjoy. Coy, coy. Boy, boy. Now we're going to do minimal pairs using the hoi sound and the E sound. Boil, bail. Boy, bay. Foil, fail. Hoist, haste. Toil, tail. Now let's have fun with this tongue twister. How much hoi boy can a gum boy boil? If a gum boy can boil oil. How much hoi boy can a gum boy boil? If a gum boy can boil oil. How much hoi boy can a gum boy boil? If a gum boy can boil oil. I hope you've enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye bye.